Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common problem when working with JSON data in Android, Malformed JSON. We will see how JsonReader.setLenient, true, can help, but also why it's not always the perfect solution. We'll look at some practical examples and discuss alternative strategies for robust error handling. So, what's Malformed JSON? Simply put, it's JSON that doesn't follow the strict rules of the JSON format. This can include things like missing quotes, extra commas, or incorrect data types. When you try to parse malformed JSON using a standard Android JSON reader, it will throw an exception and halt your program. Now, that's where JsonReader.setLenient, true, comes in. This method tells the JSON reader to be more forgiving and try to parse the JSON even if it's not perfectly formatted. This can be really helpful when you're dealing with data from external APIs that might not always be 100% reliable. Let's look at a basic example. Imagine you have a JSON string that's missing a closing curly brace. Without setLenient, true, the JSON reader would crash. But, with it enabled, it might be able to successfully read the part of the JSON that is valid. However, relying solely on setLenient, true, has its downsides. It can mask real errors in your data, potentially leading to unexpected behavior in your app. The reader might interpret the malformed JSON in a way you didn't anticipate. Think of it as trying to understand someone who's mumbling. You might get the general idea, but you could also misinterpret them. What are some better alternatives? First, try to fix the JSON at the source. If you control the API, make sure it returns valid JSON. If you're getting data from a third-party API, see if they have any documentation or tools to help validate the data before sending it to your app. Second, consider using a more robust JSON parsing library. Some libraries are designed to handle malformed JSON more gracefully and provide more detailed error messages. These libraries can help you pinpoint the exact location of the error and take appropriate action. Third, implement custom error handling. Instead of just blindly enabling setLenient, true, try to anticipate the types of errors you might encounter and write code to handle them specifically. For example, you could use try-catch blocks to catch JSON syntax exceptions and log the error or display a user-friendly message. Remember to always sanitize and validate your data. This ensures that your application doesn't crash, and it maintains the integrity of the parsed information. Dealing with malformed JSON is a common challenge for Android developers. While JsonReader.setLenient, true, can be a quick fix, it's important to understand its limitations and explore alternative strategies for robust error handling. By combining lenient parsing with other techniques, you can build more reliable and resilient Android apps. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Your support helps us create more content like this. Also, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. We appreciate your feedback.